Hello everyone, welcome back to Edulogo's Mind. Myself Sutapa ma'am. Now we are going to study movement of the earth. Again one new type of explanation and you experiment in your house like that. So here I have taken one small yellow color ball as I am taking it as a sun. Suppose this is a sun. This is a sun. And this is the earth where you are living in. So when the earth rotates in its own axis, then it is called rotation. When the earth rotates on its own axis, that is called rotation. Okay? And rotation takes 24 hours. One complete rotation takes 24 hours, and because of rotation, day and night happens. Now, by rotation, when the earth revolves around the sun, and it takes 365 days 6 hours, that is called revolution. When the earth takes a complete revolve around the sun, then it takes 365 days 6 hours, and that is called revolution. I hope it is clear. And when here is an imaginary line around which the earth rotates, that is called axis. This is an imaginary line, just we are thinking, that is not actually in the globe. Okay, so this activity replaces globe you can do by yourself. This is you. When in the classroom I used to do this activity, when you are rotating around you, that is rotation, and when you are going, means the earth is going around the sun, then it is revolution. You stand here and do yourself, that is rotation, and that is revolution. Then never you will forget, do this activity in your home, at your home, yourself, by yourself. Then never you will forget what is rotation, what is revolution. Rotation means this. Rotation, and this is revolution. This is around the sun, that is revolution. So rotation takes only 24 hours. Because of rotation, day and night happens. This is day, white, this is night. Like that you remember. This is day, this is night. So this is because of rotation, day night happens. And this is because of long round, that is long time. 365 days means 1 year. Now 365 days 6 hours takes for one round around the sun. This is our sun, around the sun. So this 365 days we are taking as 1 year, and that 6 hours, 6 into 4, 24 hours, 1 day adding after 4 years. So after every 4 years, 1 day adding in February month become 366 days, and that is called leap year. Now remember, the direction of the rotation is from west to east. Means this is our India. You can see India. This is India. This is India. That is west, that is east. So direction of rotation is west to east. Like this. Not like this. Like this. West to east, that is direction going on. Remember, the direction of rotation is west to east. And now day, and as sun, it is sun. So the sun rays is coming Like that, when it rotates, sun is coming here, so that portion is day. Very slowly it rotates, and so that portion day. Like that, the portion coming in front of sun, that is day, and another portion, opposite portion, that is night. So the part of the earth that faces the sun experience day, and the another portion, part that is away from the sun, experience night. You can see this is light is coming, this is shadow, that means this side is night. Okay, now revolution. You should know when the earth revolves around the sun, that is a particular orbit is there. The sun is going up around a fixed path. That fixed path is called orbit. And Earth's orbit is elliptical. This movement of the Earth is called revolution. I have told you that is called revolution. And about leap year also I told you. Now elliptical, what is elliptical? That you understand, elliptical means oval shape. What is oval shape? You know the shape of the egg, that is oval shape. So we can see the elliptical shape. We can see this elliptical shape. This is the elliptical shape, okay, like an egg. Anyway, this picture, this diagram, you have to memorize. If you memorize this diagram, then you can easily explain the solstice. Now I will explain you solstice. So children, when earth revolves around the sun, there are different position causes different season. Like this position, 21st June. You can see summer in the northern hemisphere, winter in the southern hemisphere. That is called summer solstice. That is, you remember 21st June, this diagram. So 21st June, what happens? From here we are going to start to explain all this position of the earth around the sun. Okay. So 21st June. 21st June, the northern hemisphere, you can see the earth always tilted in 66.5 degree with the orbital plane. Always the earth is tilted. It's not never straight, standing straight. No, it's always tilted 66.5 degree with the orbital plane. That is orbital plane. Okay, that is orbital plane. And you can see towards the sun, the earth is little tilted. The northern hemisphere tilted, and southern hemisphere, this is southern hemisphere. You know, above the equator, northern hemisphere, below the equator, southern hemisphere. The southern hemisphere little away from the sun, and the northern hemisphere more closer than the sun. So the sun directly fall on this northern hemisphere, on the Tropic of Cancer. This is Tropic of Cancer. On the Tropic of Cancer. As a result, these areas received more heat and poles receive less heat as the rays of the sun slanting. Slanting means not direct. Little slanting. This is directly falling on Tropic of Cancer, and that is slanting way, the sun rays going towards the pole, slanting way, and here that is directly coming. So the northern hemisphere experience summer season. North pole is inclined toward the sun as it is south pole go far away from the sun, little far away than the north pole. So continuous daylight for about 6 months. The north pole, because it's little towards the sun, so it experiences 6 months day, And as the same, just opposite, South Pole experiences 6th month night. The longest day, 21st June, the longest day in the northern hemisphere. The longest day and the shortest night at this place occur 21st June. At this time in the southern hemisphere, all these conditions are just reverse, just opposite. Here it is winter season. This South Pole is experienced 6th month night and 21st June, that is longer night and shorter days. I hope, and that is called summer solstice. I hope it is clear to you. Just opposite here,